Hey, it's Adam. I'm here at a project we recently finished in Templeton. I wanted to show you real quick. So this bathroom started out super 1990s, and the homeowners really wanted to have it refreshed and brought up to date and made a little more modern and clean. So the first step to do that was to do the demo. It was really important to them that the dust was kept to a minimum. So what we did was we had a HEPA air filter that was connected here. It was pulling the air out that window. And then we made the whole room kind of like a vacuum by having air flowing out of there and sealed it off with plastic here to keep dust from going anywhere else in the rest of the house. So the next step was to bring a plumber in. So Steve Foster from On the Level Plumbing came in and moved the drains and did some rough-in for the shower valves. He moved the drain for this tub over here so that we could put it on an angle. It was super important that we leveled this floor out so that the tub would sit nice and flat and level. We put Mapei's waterproof backer board on the shower walls. One of the reasons why we chose that method was the homeowners preferred a low profile look rather than the thicker profile that they would get if we had done a mud float. So we were able to shim out their boards flat, plumb, square, and still keep the tile here in the Schluter Jolly trim relatively tight to the drywall. We installed the shower pan and did a flood test, put an uncoupling membrane on the floor, and now our prep was finally complete. The next step was to install the tile. This tile is from a big box store. There's some challenges that comes with that, but we were able to work with it and in the end put together a really nice product. So that's our project. We're super happy with how it came out. Our homeowners are super happy, which is what we aim for. And thanks for checking it out.